Have you ever tasted Coconut Sambol? It's a vibrant Sri Lankan dish. With coconut, spices, and flavors, it's a must-try. Today, we'll explore 3 delicious sambol variations. Coconut Sambol is a versatile condiment. It accompanies rice and curries perfectly. The 3 types we'll discuss today are Traditional Sambol, Spicy Sambol, and Onion Sambol. Let's dive into each one. First, we start with Traditional Sambol, beginning with fresh grated coconut. Add red chili flakes for some heat. Next, squeeze in lime juice for brightness. Finally, sprinkle salt to taste. This sambol is creamy and tangy. It elevates any meal effortlessly. Next up is Spicy Sambol. This variation punch. Start with the same grated coconut base. Add more chili powder than before. Next, include roasted ground spices for depth. You can add chopped green chilies too. Mix in tamarind paste for a unique tang. This sambol is for spice lovers. Now, let's discuss Onion Sambol. For this version, slice some onions thinly. Combine them with grated coconut. Add a bit of salt and a squeeze of lime. You can also add red chili flakes, but adjust to your taste. This sambol is crunchy and refreshing, making it a perfect salad-like side. To visualize, imagine serving all 3 sambols next to your rice and curry. Each variation offers a different flavor profile. They all enhance your dining experience. In summary, Coconut Sambol brings excitement to meals. Traditional Sambol is creamy and tangy. Spicy Sambol is for those who crave heat. Onion Sambol adds crunch and freshness. Try making these sambols at home. Now it's your turn. Try these Coconut Sambol variations today. Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.